Hi everyone, welcome to yet another new vlog. Today I made an attempt to make a lamb halim at home. Since it is lockdown and during this Ramadan time we cannot enjoy the Nawabi halims, I thought of making it at home. I'll be sharing the recipe with you now. Hope you like it. Also sharing few moments from our lockdown grocery shopping. It seemed to be very busy at Tesco today. Long queues are expected. They are sending people in batches inside, so we don't have any other option other than waiting. Finally we got in and we quickly finished our shopping inside. So now to make lamb halim, I am taking 1.5 tablespoons of masoor dal, urd dal, chana dal, tur dal and also rice. Now wash these lentils properly and take it in the pressure cooker. I am also adding 3.5 tablespoons of oats and adding water to that. If you have wheat grains or broken wheat, you can soak them overnight and use it instead of oats. Now adding 1 tablespoon of salt and turmeric powder, also adding cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Now we will cook this in the low flame at least for 2 hours. Now the dal is cooked well, we can keep it aside. Now to cook the lamb, we'll take some oil in the cooker. I'm also adding a tablespoon of ghee to that. Now adding bay leaves and some garam masala and then adding some onions to that. We will leave these onions at least for 5 minutes to get cooked in the low flame. Adding some homemade ginger garlic paste to that. Now we can add the meat slowly. Adding some salt and also some dry fenugreek leaves. Halim is normally cooked with lot of flavors for a long time. Now adding 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, turmeric powder and also garam masala as per the requirement. Stir it properly and leave it in the low flame for 10 minutes. Now adding some chopped pudina and coriander leaves, also some green chilies to that. Now adding some water to it and cooking it in the low flame at least for 3 hours. Now the lamb is ready. I will be taking off this excess oil and keeping it aside. We can use it at the end for garnish. We can now remove the bay leaves and mash the meat properly. Now adding the cooked lentils to this meat and mixing it thoroughly. After a long mashing up to at least 15 minutes, it becomes smooth and creamy. The Haleem is ready now. We can garnish it with some fried onions, cashews and also saffron and serve it hot. I hope you liked watching this video. Don't forget to give me your feedback in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up in YouTube. Thank you. Bye.